They're not always so obvious.
Yeah.
Some of them are
Happy
very
Unicorn
subtle.
Tattoo. This is from the
Little
last
things
I
that
know this movie. And
that
this
seem
is
very innocent.
inspired
There's
from
something
the Bizarre
hidden
Adventure
around.
tattoo. Stone Ocean.
Stop.
Oh
my god.
Git.
I figured that decent, but I guess sometimes I don't remember the name, but I can describe in which movie I've seen YouTube. I'm not even joking. And you know why? Because I discover celebrities by their mouths. Well, I used to be a music fan, right? So I watch people on the mouth after me, especially when they sing or they talk. And I can people's voices.
What's that, brother?
While eating too? What? While eating too? That's bad manners now. What are you talking about? You said while singing or talking. And, what was I saying?
I owed him up.
Stay.
That's straight up an addiction. This is bad. It's scary. You see this in action? Oh yeah, we can do it sometime. Yeah. I can't say if it's a talent, but I do recognize. Anime opening. Guess the anime character. Guess this. Guess that. It's quite funny. It's entertaining. It's really cool when you gather around with people that you have a lot of like mutual. You heard her? What? How did you? Why did you? Why are you breaking your back? Don't break your back. Yeah, thank you, interest. Thank you, Ethan. You need something. What? You need thank you. I really appreciate it. And,
Nani?
yeah, that's pretty much it. We would gather around, we would do. I'm not gonna lie, it's really funny. So yeah. Money. No! Damn it! Oh, sorry again. Strikes with the sussy sass.
What?
Wait, you were actually listening to
What
me?
the fuck?
You guys are not listening
Sugar slider. Everyone knows that, right? Huh? What is going
to broken but Backstreet's back. Alright. Oh, that was like way too low. Am I original?
Oh, this is funny.
Am I the only one? It's a good song. Gonna be something I was thinking, but I don't know. Today is Monday and everything can go wrong. Take care, you too. Take care. Thank you so much for joining today. I really appreciate appreciate it. Make sure to stay safe. And
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God.
Jack, welcome in too. How are you? How's the day going?
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
Hello, Jack. How are ya? How's the day going? Hoping everything's welcome to the chat. Thank you so much. How's the day going? Hoping you're having a good beginning of the new week. Or it's family friendly. Oh. Yes. Yeah. Oh my god, what happened, Arthur? What are you saying? Family friendly. You don't get it. I am family friendly, and the one person that it's not making me that it's image of mine is
Can you sit?
you guys. So I'm sorry, Jack. This is not what we are.
Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Now high five.
In each member, so they have you.
Oh, 2 of them.
Yeah. From now on, you're obligated to mods.
Huh? That was what I wanted to speak in different accents. And yet your mods are showing... what? You can do it and ignore my messages. What? Why would I do that? Wait, if I ignored something, it's not on purpose. It was an accident. Thank you for the 5 stream streak. Grand, welcome in. You're not a foreigner when you're at home. Yeah, but I'm a foreigner. Wait, no. What? Bruh. Oh, you broke me. So, I'm a foreigner because, I don't speak Bulgarian. I'm not surrounded mainly by Bulgarians. So we're all kind of foreigners, right? You know what I meant to be on. Right there. From outside the country we live in. No. Yeah, but we live right now in Twitch.
What the hell?
Thank you,
Loopy.
Oh my god. Technically, Twitch domain.tv is from so probably not my native language. You're good with that. Amazing to hear. Really happy. How's the day going so far? How's the start of the week? I hope it's treating you good. Real dub. If you're talking about anime, I cannot watch anime with dub. It's like against the rules. God, welcome. Thank you so much for the compliment. Really appreciate it. Yeah, we're canceling Monday right now. This cannot go on. Not kawaii, not angry. Chit chat, gaming, quack, socials. This explains a lot. Everything goes wrong, guys, because it is. If I lose it, then that. I poured tears on my face.
Ayan, makikita.
哎呦我的妈！
Ayan, makikita. Hindi ba?
Bro, what the hell? She's with tears. I mean, real tears with real eyes. In real pain. She laughs at her pain, guys. I'm not laughing at you. Damn it! Jesus, I didn't wait. Hold on. So bad. I'm sorry for the M word. For editing. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. No, I didn't say melons. I said ende. Like the thingy. You shall not name the should be, we add something to this conversation. Damn, your mods are strict. That is my rules. Mods are just going after them. I think you better learn how to cook before you get to cook for your show. What do you mean? What show? Ooh, I'm not sure it's the key. You gotta bet everyone.
Huh?
figured this. I figured that recently. Sometimes I don't remember the name of the person, but I can describe it.
That's
That
right.
person
You and me.
really
Right now.
connected
We're
to
having it
me
out.
on
Let's
YouTube,
go.
I'm not even
Come on.
joking.
Come on.
And you know why I discovered celebrities by their
What's that? What's that, brother?
Mind, don't read that.